Alright, FEC's number 109. We got double champ on here, baby. On the Southern Boulevard overpass. Double champ today. Look at her. And a 7-Eleven. Looking inside of there. Hey, that's awesome. And they're all empty. All right, take this shot, baby. And they're filled. Some of them are filled, and some of them are empty. And some of them got coal. Look at that. Wooden ties. Oh, we got the dirt. Ah! Woo! Dirty, 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 dirty. And there goes the EOT. I mean, you can see the bottom of the... He hasn't even cleared Bunker Road yet. 2,800 feet. That was a local. Look at that. Now he just knocked it down. Look at all that dirt he's leaving behind. Milepost here. 302. Oh, Gary's getting it. Gary's getting it. Gary's getting it. Oh, wow. Look at all the dirt this train is leaving. Oh, my goodness. All right. BBT 609 here at milepost 302. Here in West Palm Beach on the Southern Boulevard overpass. Hopping over the Florida East Coast main line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 109. Look. And yes, it was a glorified local. Look, listen, and live.